Great. I think we're live. We might be live. Hello again. It's been a while since we posted a live video, but we wanted to try to get back to that. And the first thing we're going to do is we wanted to introduce a new therapist to you. This is Mike Donohue.
Hello.
And Mike, tell us about yourself. When did you graduate from PT school? And tell us a little bit about where you've been between then and now.
I graduated from NAU's PT school in 2015 before my wife and I moved up to Eugene, Oregon, and stayed up there for 4 years, and then decided to come back down to Flagstaff to be up in northern Arizona and closer to family.
Right, it's beautiful. So, anybody else heard of somebody doing the boomerang thing out of Flagstaff and back in? It seems like it's a story that repeats itself. So what are you interested in? What kind of things in terms of learning and exposure have you been up to since you graduated?
So one of the first things I did when I moved up to Eugene was I went through a orthopedic residency program that specialized in treating spinal conditions, especially with manual therapy. That's a 2-year process that I went through, doing a lot of coursework and learning. I also learned a lot about private practice, and so I enjoy learning a lot of manual therapy skills and treatment of the spine and the shoulder, and growing like that.
Cool. So that led to at least a couple of certifications, if memory serves. Yep. So tell us about those.
So part of that was I became a board certified orthopedic specialist. So I specialize in orthopedics, and also I got a certification in manual therapy. It's called a certified manual physical therapist.
And some exposure to ASTEM, which is for those of you who are not familiar with it, is a bit like Graston. It's using a instrument to create kind of a scraping effect on the tissue, which also can seem to be a useful treatment for some of these persistent soft tissue things.
Yeah.
So
they really like treatment of tendon pathologies and things like that.
Cool. So why Flagstaff? What brought you back?
Well, when we were here during school, I think it was we had some of the best years that we've had, and we've always thought about coming back because of the beautiful trees and Mount Humphreys and all the great things to do up here. And also a big craft beer fan, and they have good craft beer up here too.
Good craft beer in mountains. What else can you ask for, right? So we are delighted to have Mike on board. He's seeing patients at the university location. Currently, he's working Tuesday through Friday, working long days, so we've been able to extend our hours, and we're really excited to learn from him and pick up some of the things that he's done in his residency and help our entire operation get better. So if you're interested in meeting Mike, getting scheduled with him, give us a call. And his schedule is filling up quickly, actually. So do that soon. Thanks so much for listening, and we'll be back to you in another week or two.
Thank you.